Simultaneous equations. Students, we are familiar with solving linear equations with only one variable. We now continue solving linear equations in two variables, say x and y. If each of the equation is satisfied by the same pair of values of x and y, then such equations form a system of simultaneous linear equations. The values of x and y which satisfy these equations are called ordered pair. Now we proceed to solve these equations in various ways. Exercise 4.1. Let us take the first example. Question 1. Solve. 1. First equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Second equation is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Step 1. Look for common factors in each equation. There are no common factors. Let us go ahead. Step 2. In this step, we eliminate one of the variables from both equations 1 and 2. We do this by equating the coefficients of y. Hence, we multiply x plus y is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. We get equation 3, which is 5x plus 5y is equal to 20. Now to eliminate, we add equation 3 and equation 2. Hence, 5y is eliminated. We get 7x is equal to 21. Now we continue to solve this linear equation in one variable. Step 3. We solve for x and get the value for x is equal to 21 upon 7 is equal to 3. Step 4. We now substitute the value of x in one of the equations 1, 2 or 3 and solve the equation to get the value of y. Now students, choose an equation which is easy to solve. Equation 1 is the easiest, so we substitute x equal to 3 to find the value of y. Therefore, 3 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 minus 3. Hence, the value of y we get is 1. So, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. As ordered pair, we write as into bracket 3, 1. Question 1. Solve. 2. The first equation is x plus y upon 4 minus x minus y upon 3 is equal to 1. Second equation is x plus y upon 2 plus x minus y upon 6 is equal to 12. Step 1. We first simplify the equations 1 and 2 by simplifying them. First, we eliminate the denominator from equation 1 and 2. Let us take equation 1. Since the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12, we multiply the equation 1 by 12. We get 3 into bracket x plus y minus 4 into bracket x minus y is equal to 12. 3x plus 3y minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now we get minus x plus 7y is equal to 12. We call this as equation 3. Similarly, we can simplify equation 2, multiply it by LCM, which is 12. X plus y upon 2 plus x minus y upon 6 is equal to 12 into 12. We get 6 into x plus y plus 2 into x minus y is equal to 144. We get 6x plus 6y plus 2x minus 2y is equal to 144. 8x plus 4y is equal to 144. So we get 4x plus 2y is equal to 72, which is equation 4. Now we have two equations. Equation 3 is minus x plus 7y is equal to 12. Equation 4 is 4x plus 2y is equal to 72. Step 2. Now we eliminate x. We have equation 4 as 4x plus 2y is equal to 72 and equation 3 as minus x plus 7y is equal to 12. Hence we multiply equation 3 by 4. We get minus 4x plus 28y is equal to 48. We call it equation 5. Add equation 4 and equation 5. Minus 4x plus 28y is equal to 48 plus 4x plus 2y is equal to 72. Hence, we get 30y is equal to 120. So, the value of y is equal to 120 upon 30 is equal to 4. Step 3. Now to find the value of x, we choose an equation which is easy to substitute. So that we substitute the value in equation 3, that is, minus x plus 7y is equal to 12. We substitute y as 4 in equation 3. Minus x plus 7 into 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, minus x plus 28 is equal to 12. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 28 plus 12 is equal to minus 16. Value of x is equal to 16. Hence, the solution is x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 4. We write it in ordered pair as into bracket 16, 4. Question 1, 3. Solve x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 upon 11. Step 1. Here we have three expressions. Hence, we first write these expressions so that we get two expressions which are simultaneous. We write expression 1 is equal to expression 2. This is our first equation. We write expression 2 is equal to expression 3 to get the second equation. Step 2. We now simplify equation 1 by multiplying by LCM, which is 6. So, 3 into x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 into x plus 2y minus by 14. Therefore, 3x plus 2y minus 14 is equal to 2x plus 4y minus 28. Therefore, 3x minus 2x plus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 28 plus 24. Therefore, x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is equation 3. Similarly, we simplify equation 2. The factor we multiply the whole equation is LCM of 2 and 11, which is 22. Therefore, 11 bracket x plus y minus 8 bracket closed is equal to 2 bracket 3x plus y minus 12 bracket closed. Therefore, 11x plus 11y minus 88 is equal to 6x plus 2y minus 24. Therefore, 11x minus 6x plus 11y minus 2y is equal to 88 minus 24. We get final equation 4 as 5x plus 9y is equal to 64. Step 3. Now we proceed to eliminate x by multiplying equation 3 with 9. X minus y is equal to minus 4 into 9. We get 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 36. This is equation 5. Add equation 4 and equation 5. 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 36 plus 5x plus 9y is equal to 64. Hence, 9y get cancelled from both the equations and we get 14x is equal to 28. So the value of x is 2. Step 4. Let us substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 3. That is, x minus y is equal to minus 4. So we get 2 minus y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 2. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6. Hence, we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. We studied the method of elimination by substitution.